Did you know that sweet potatoes are packed with fiber and vitamins, making this dessert not just delicious, but also healthier than regular cakes? Imagine whipping up a delicious dessert that leaves everyone in awe using only 3 simple ingredients: sweet potato, milk, and eggs. But the real magic isn't just in the simplicity of the ingredients. And the best part is, with just an air fryer, you can achieve a crispy exterior and a soft, creamy interior, just like a 5-star restaurant dessert. Sounds amazing, right? If you're all about sweet treats without the effort, this one's for you. Let's get started now. First, prepare the sweet potato. I'm using 125 grams of Salembu sweet potato. Peel the skin and trim the ends of the sweet potato. Slice it thinly or grate it into thin pieces. You can use a knife or a grater, depending on how thick you like your sweet potato. This is what will give our dessert its creamy texture and natural sweetness. Next, in a separate bowl, crack 2 to 3 eggs, depending on their size. Add a pinch of salt and a drop of sweetener. Whisk them together, then add 150 milliliters of milk. Then add some vanilla extract. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure the batter is smooth and lump-free. The milk and eggs are the key to making this dessert soft and moist. Arrange and stack the slices of Salembu sweet potato into a mold. When sweet potato layers are air-fried or baked, the natural sugars caramelize slightly, creating crispy edges and a rich, deep flavor. Once everything is ready, pour the mixture into the mold. Fill it up all the way to the top or until all the sweet potatoes are submerged. Pop it into the air fryer, set it to 160 degrees, and cook for 40 minutes. The air fryer gives the outside a slight crisp while keeping the inside soft and creamy. The air fryer's circulating hot air cooks the cake evenly, similar to a convection oven, with the top layers browning like they would under an oven's top heat. Heat also conducts through the mold, ensuring the base layers cook thoroughly. Don't believe me? Try it for yourself, and who knows, this might become your go-to dessert for family gatherings or special events. Lastly, sprinkle some white sugar on top. Garnish with a strawberry and it's done. Each bite combines the natural sweetness of tender caramelized sweet potatoes with layers of perfectly crisp edges, all achieved without the need for heavy oils or a bulky oven. The air fryer not only brings out the rich, earthy flavors of the sweet potato, but also ensures a healthier, evenly cooked dessert that's both visually striking and irresistibly tasty. No need for expensive tools, just an air fryer, and you're good to go for creating amazing, trendy dishes. Don't forget to try it out, share your results, and let me know your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.